2010 Chevy Camaro 3.6 liter. I gotta replace the Evap vent valve. This one here is mounted between the body and the rear suspension frame. It looks like a lot of work. I did my electrical testing here since I can't reach the connector at the valve itself. I unplugged the canister hose from underneath by the diff. I used a pry bar to pry off the fresh air vent hose and the canister vent valve bracket itself. Just like this. So to gain all that access, I removed the sway bar and link, both lower arms. Here's the other arm. And just on this side, I loosened the frame bolts, front and rear. That was all the space I needed. I was able to slide my hand in there to put the vent valve on the bracket itself, and a pry bar to put back the fresh air hose.